A lot of people do not know that enabling these features that I want to mention will help your video to grow, help you to get monetized, help you to get subscribers, and help you to get views. Like these are the things, the key things YouTube look out for before pushing your videos, before people even click your videos. Okay, when these things, these features I'm about to share with you, when they are put in place orderly, it will make people, it will enable people to subscribe, it will make people to see your videos, like your videos will go viral, it will make your video go viral. People will get to see a lot and more of your videos, and then click and you get views, you get subscribers, like you get monetized easily. And this is 2026 update. So let's get started. By the way, welcome to another video. This is your Empress Efe in the building. So I'm going to be sharing with you the exact features, what you should do to get you subscribers, get you all the views, the audience, and get you monetized, okay, very fast and very quickly. If you apply these features I want to mention to you, you'll get monetized, you'll be getting subscribers, because the button will be telling anybody that watch your video to subscribe, and you automatically be getting subscribers. Okay, before you know, you meet all the requirements and then you start getting monetized. So let's get started. So go to your dashboard, go to the last two buttons. Okay, when you go to the last two buttons, then you will see a banner, like a banner image. This banner image, it's what people get to see in case you send the link to any other person and the person want to go to your main platform, like your page, okay, your YouTube this in platform. The person will get to see your banner, like a picture, an image of your banner there, like it's just there. So get this image banner, because people will get to see, or get to see the person video that they are watching. And then the second thing is you should also put a picture, like a profile picture should also be in your YouTube, YouTube setting. Okay, a profile picture is very important, because it will make people see the person, like the face of the person whose video they are watching. So the next point is go to the handles. Okay, choose a handle also, because you have to choose a handle. Okay, some people choose art and whatever. Okay, just choose a handle to enable your video gets this thing clicked. And also you should write a description. Write a description. When you write the description in relation to your niche, it will automatically stay there, like it will be there. Whenever you create a video, it will be there. You would not have to go through the stress of writing a new description. But in a case whereby you can't write the description on your own accord, then you can just head to ChatGPT and tell ChatGPT to create a description, a very good description for you in relation to your niche. Okay, you can just say create a niche, create a description of a medical niche. Okay, then a ChatGPT will just create it for you. And the next thing I would want us to look at is the URL. Okay, because when you automatically get a URL, okay, after you put all the banner and picture and profile, you automatically get the handle is on point, you automatically get a URL. Okay, and then you can add your link, your social media link, because when anyone click your video and the person want to really go through your social media to know, like to know, watch more of your videos on social media, maybe they want to follow you. Okay, then you put your links there in the link button, all of them are there. And then you put the links, your social media link, in the YouTube dashboard. And then the next thing is go to the contact info and then type in your email, because the email that you type is what people will use to contact you. Like if people want to reach you, okay, they will use that email to contact you, or to, maybe get this thing, advice on something. They'll use that email to contact you. So the next important vital step that people don't talk about, like other content creators don't mention this. This one is very important. This one is the important one, that if you should put this setting right, and whenever you upload video, it will automatically show, and it will automatically ask your audience to do it. Okay, and what am I talking about? Is the watermark. One would ask, say, okay, what is the watermark all about? Well, people ignore this a lot. Okay, they think that it's not necessary. And I've watched a lot of videos, a lot of YouTube videos, that there is no watermark. You should have a watermark. Okay, if you watch my videos and you turn the phone, you'll see my watermark under the video. What is that? What is the watermark? Well, that watermark is subscribe button. Okay, subscribe button that will appear on the bottom of your video. Like if anybody click your video, that watermark will automatically, this thing, be shown to tell people to subscribe. Okay, so the watermark is subscribe, and YouTube have um a particular size, okay, that it wants. So if you can go to Google, get a subscribe or subscribe watermark from Google or Chrome, they'll give you a nice one. Then you just go to Pixel and then check the size that the YouTube really wants, and do it according to it, and then you just post it. When you post it, then you choose, there are two options there. So from this video, you've seen that I've actually chose the second one. It's the second one that I chose, because I want it to appear all throughout the video. So I chose the second one. And then the next thing you should look at is one other feature. The next thing you need to tackle and look at is features eligibility. One would ask, what is feature eligibility? A lot of people don't really know the importance of this features eligibility. Well, features eligibility simply means unlocking advanced channel tools like custom thumbnail, and then long videos and monetization based on verification level. Do you hear that? Monetization based on verification level. So when you put on all these features, you will see that your channel will start growing. Before you see it, like subscribers will start coming. Like you would be surprised. You'll be astonished. Okay, so let's turn on this settings, and do the right setting display. Put the handle, the pictures, the banner, the links, and just watch your video grow. So if this video has been of any help to you, don't forget to like, share, comment, and hit the notification bell so that you don't miss on our next YouTube growth video. So see you in our next YouTube growth videos. Bye.